Peace and blessings, everyone. So hard. I don't know why it's always so hard for me to see when this thing is gonna start. Anyway, I'm just doing a very short video today. Finally, to those that have been on my channel for a while, you know that I've been trying to put out some merchandise for a few months now, and I did my design at least 3 months ago. And I was working with one person, but that person is always on the road. So I had to find another way that would help me so that I wouldn't have to worry about so much with shipping and packing and all of that type of stuff. And I could produce more products in hopefully a faster time than this person who, that was working with me, one of my Mason brothers that is a truck driver. And I mean, his quality, everything is good. It's just that I needed to do what was best for me as far as just getting the product out here and being able to have product available for you all when you all wanted to order it. So I'm just going to show you one of the items because only one came in today. The others are supposed to come in by next week. And of course, the pop-up loves popping up in my face when I am ready. So this is the first unveiling of the very first design that I ever came up with. I came up with the silhouettes. I came up with what I wanted, and it's mostly you'll see it, and I'll read them off to you. But I'm so excited. I really am, because finally, I have something in my hands that I can show you all, so you can see that I have really been working on something. So hopefully you'll like this. I know we talk about on this channel, we talk about health, nutrition. We talk about Natty dreadlocks. Mostly that's pretty much the number one thing. But what would our hair be like without nutrition? So a lot of people talk about different teas and stuff that they drink. So the first item that came, and next when the t-shirts come in, me and my daughter both will do probably like a premiere or so, or I probably just shoot a video and show you the beautiful t-shirts. But this way you get to see what the design looks like. This is the design that will be on t-shirts, be on leggings, will be on socks, will be on pillows, will also be on blankets, little wall coverings, just a lot of little stuff. Not little stuff, because I think this is fabulous. Hopefully you all will too. Okay, and this is the first item, which is a mug. Okay, I want everybody to be able to see. Hopefully the lighting is not too crazy so that you can see exactly how the mug is. It's going to be a black mug. That's the color I wanted it to be for the hair, for everything to show up. It's black all the way around, and then as you see, this side, the handle part, is white. And the inside is white. But look at the design. The design is, of course, of a brown-skinned girl, and it has all the words that you all hear me saying on this channel all the time. These are the dreadlocks hanging down underneath a little scarf, and you can see the little dreads all up in here and down here. And what's on the cup is, it's 5 different colors as far as the words, and I love the way it turned out. It has dreadlock, empress, Regal, Natty, peace, Natty, empress, dreadlock, and Regal. Those are the 5 words you hear me say over and over and over again. Oh, I thought I saw a chip. So hopefully you all can see. That's my lady. That's my empress. That's the hair, as you can see. Those are the colors, which I think are very vibrant. When I picked out the colors, I wanted to do red, gold, and green, of course. And then I wanted the Regal colors that I love, my purple and my royal blue. So, yeah, that's it. That's the new design. And it will be on t-shirts. I did order some shirts. I did order a tank top for myself, and I ordered a long sleeve shirt for my daughter, because here in Chicago so far we are going up and down as far as temperature. In 1 minute it's warm, 1 minute it's cold, 1 minute it's raining for a whole week. And I just wanted to order her a longer t-shirt And so you can see like some of the things that we'll have available, but it's like over, so far I've designed over 10 things that you'll be able to purchase, and everything will go come directly from a website that I'm using. This way I don't have to worry about shipping out orders. I'll tell you all about it as soon as the other two come in, the other two items come in, and I'm very satisfied with the way this came out. This is exactly how I envisioned it as far as on the actual merchandise, as far as the mugs. So everybody that talks about, you know, I drink tea, I drink tea, I drink tea, or even if you drink coffee, here you go. This is it. You'll be able to order this. Actually, you can order it now, but I want to just go ahead and wait for the other two items to come out before I just, you know, give out the website where you can order through. Okay. But there she is. That's my Queen Natty Dread. That is the Queen Natty Dread. And if you look up close, you can see Natty. You can see the Regal. I hope the light is not too bright so that you can't see. There's a glare. The mug is extra shiny. It's beautiful. And I'm wrapping this right back up. I'm putting it back in the box. As soon as I'm finished with the video. Bottom of the cup is white. Okay. All right. So this is it unveiled. This is the design. This is two different. I had to combine two different pieces, you know, as far as for the face and the hair design. The face on the other face that I had, it was a little harsh, and I wanted to soften it up a little bit. But I had somebody that actually went in and did all of this for me. So no, I did not like draw this out myself. I gave them the silhouettes, I gave them the words, and they worked it out for me so that it would fit even down. When you look at it'll be bigger, much bigger. Of course, on the t-shirt, you'll be able to see everything. But like up in here, you can see it more on the mug because this is the bigger part of her hair. Her hair is like right here. This is just supposed to be like a little cap, like you always see me wearing, like a little something on my head. So hopefully you all will like it. Please do me a favor, thumbs up if you're finally happy to see what the design that I came up with looks like. If you like it, please thumbs up. Leave me a message down below if this is something that you're interested in. If you're really interested in seeing the t-shirts when they come, leave me a comment down below. You know, just letting me know if this is something that you would like to purchase. And as soon as the items come in, I promise I will give out all the information where you can go and just, you know, I want to show you what it looks like on us. And then you can get a better idea of what it'll look like in a bigger size. Because it's going to be on black. Everything is on black. It looks much better. I checked it out on different color t-shirts. White t-shirts, definitely not. Purple. I tried it on every color. And this is what it looks best on. Black is it. We had talked about white or black. And honestly, black is definitely it. So didn't want to keep this video hostage. Didn't want to hold it hostage or hold you all hostage with this long video, with a long video. So there she is. This is Queen Natty Dread. That's what I named her, which is also what I call myself. All right, peace and blessings, everyone. Have a great day. Happy Mother's Day to all you wonderful mothers, all you empresses that are out here doing the thing, taking care of your children. Much love.